The Hot Wheels racing circuit had arrived in town. Mac had brought one of the guest racers. McQueen. The other Disney cars were pleased to see him. "Good luck, McQueen," they shouted. 2 minions were the starting judges. For the competition, 2 cars would race against each other. There were 2 more minions at the finishing line. First car to the line wins and goes through to the next round. If no car reaches the line, the closest to the line wins. Judges, what's going on?
Shark!
That shark car is too big to race. The little shark car came up to the big shark. "It's okay, I'm racing for you." The big shark started anyway and went down the course. Right, on to the competition. First up, Lightning McQueen against Batman. Ooh, that was close. Judges? Batman wins. Unlucky McQueen. Let's see if Mater can do better against Wolverine. Oh, Mater, I think you applied your brakes. Wolverine didn't cross the line, but was definitely closest. Captain America against Iron Man. That was close right until the end, with a captain winning. Well done, Captain. Unlucky Iron Man. Spider-Man against Angry Bird Corporal Pig. Corporal Pig does a flip, and Spider-Man, did he just take that tree? He did. Judges?
Come back!
Spider-Man through to the next round. That's better. Holly Schiffwell against Hawkeye.
Uh-oh.
Close. Hawkeye just wins and Holly takes a tree out. Hawkeye through. Ultron against Ninja Turtle Mikey. That's the closest yet. Judges? They have awarded the win to Ultron. Good race, guys. Yoda against a Stormtrooper. Ooh, Yoda flips and the Stormtrooper wins with ease. The Force was not good today, Yoda. Now, the little shark against Thor, with a big shark watching and encouraging. The excitement was too much for the little shark. Thor wins easily. The next round pairings have been made, and the first to race, Wolverine against Batman. Wolverine turned at the wrong time, leaving Batman to win. Now Spider-Man against Captain America. Very close. Where's the captain? He turned away from the line, leaving Spider-Man to win. Ultron against Hawkeye. Oh, Hawkeye tumbles, with Ultron winning easily. The last of the quarterfinals, Thor against the Stormtrooper. That's very close. Judges? Stormtrooper wins. Just. The semi-final pairings. Spider-Man against Batman. That was close, but Spider-Man just edged it. Now the second semi-final. Stormtrooper against Ultron. Oh, the Stormtrooper ran out of speed, leaving Ultron to go through to the final. Spider-Man against Ultron. Wow, that was fast and very close. Judges? They have awarded it to Spider-Man by the narrowest of margins. Well done, Spider-Man, and that was so close, Ultron. Not your day today, McQueen, said Mater. There's always tomorrow.
Hello, and welcome to the Snake Farthest Wins competition. We have a lot of competitors today. They will launch into the snake and knock the top off. Whoever can knock it off the farthest wins. Let's see how it's done. Oh, and Pepper and Bob are our judges.
Hello.
Right, let's begin. First up, it's Finn McMissile. Oh no, he hasn't knocked the snake over. Sorry, Finn. Spider-Man next. He's knocked it off. Not very far though, but he is in the lead. Captain America now. Oh no, he's hit it backwards. Unlucky Captain. A Star Wars Stormtrooper next. He's hit it backwards too. Darth Vader won't be happy. Now it's McQueen. He's usually quite good at these competitions. He hit it far, but was it farther than Spider-Man? Oh, so close. But no, it wasn't further. Unlucky McQueen. The tractor now. Oh, that's rude. Oh dear. He's fine. Ugh. Next, it's Yoda. Interesting tactic. Has it paid off? Yes, it's further than Spider-Man. Yoda's in the lead now. Oh, Bob wants to go. Can he do this? He's a judge, isn't he?
Whoa!
Well, he won't win with that. That wasn't a very good effort, was it, Pepper? No. Batman now. Oh, that was quite good. Yes, new record. Okay, so Thomas is too big for this, but he bought his mini-me. And his mini-me bought his mini-me. So there's a mini-me. Oh, this could get confusing. So the mini-me first. Not bad, but it has gone backwards. Now, the mini-me's mini-me. He tried to do what Yoda did. He hasn't broken the record though, but the mini-me's mini-me beat the mini-me.
Confusing.
Now it's Holly Shiftwell. Oh no, that's gone backwards. Oh well, only 4 competitors left. It's Angry Birds Luke Skywalker now. That's gone backwards too. Unlucky. Iron Man next. Oh no, it's eaten him. Let's see that again. He's okay. Hulk now. Oh, he's missed. He's okay though. just Mater left. Can he beat Batman? Amazing! He's smashed the record. It's off the screen. Look how far it went. So Mater wins. Well done. Hello, and oh, this is supposed to be a farthest wins competition, but where's the ramp? Well, we've got our competitors. Thomas has our trophy. Nice. And Rocky and Pepper are our judges, but we've got no ramp. Ah, Mac, do you know where the ramp is? You do? Where is it? Oh, you are the ramp. So the competitors will fall down the slope and off the ramp, and whoever goes the farthest wins. So let's begin. Frank first. Oh, not very good. But he is in the lead though. Now Mater. Not bad. Further than Frank at least. Well done, Mater. Sorry, Frank. You've been beaten. Ant-Man. Oh, so close to Mater's record, but not quite. Unlucky. Wolverine next. Very nice. He's gone further than Mater, so he's in the lead. Luigi now. Not bad. Further than Wolverine? Oh, not quite. Unlucky Luigi. Iron Man. Looks good. Yes, it is further than Wolverine. Well done. Now Max. Oh dear. Not very good at all. Oh well. Batman now. Good effort, but not quite. Sorry, Batman. Spider-Man next. Looks good. Oh, so unlucky. Not this time, Spider-Man. Bob's turn.
Yay! Woohoo! Oh.
Not great. It's not further than Iron Man.
Darn. Oh well.
Hawkeye. Oh yes, he's in the lead. Nice one. Now it's Hulk. That looks good. But not as far as Hawkeye. Sorry, Hulk. Stormtrooper's turn. Oh, brilliant effort, but not quite again. Unlucky. Ultron next. And again it's so close, but not as far. Nice try though. Can McQueen beat Hawkeye? Of course he can. His mark's almost off the screen. That'll be hard to beat. Michelangelo now. Well, he went far, but he hit Pepper. Is that dangerous driving? The judges say it is. Sorry, Michelangelo, you're disqualified. R2-D2 now. Where has he gone? He went so far, he went off the screen. So he's in the lead, with just Captain America to go. Oh dear, that was rubbish. Nowhere near R2's record. So that's it. R2-D2 wins. Well done. Guten Tag. Hello and welcome to the double lane duel race. Our competitors race in pairs, up the ramp and round the bend. The one who ends up in the winner's circle wins. It's first to 2 wins. And these are our competitors: Hulk, R2-D2, Raphael, Captain America, McQueen, Batman and Iron Man. We're missing someone. Oh yeah, we've got a brand new competitor. Here he comes with Thomas and the trophy. It's Superman! Welcome! Awesome trophy. So let's begin. First up, it's R2-D2 versus Hulk.
Ready, go!
Ooh, a nice drift. Oh, and Hulk wins it. If he wins the next race, he's through. A change of lanes.
Ready, go!
Oh, and Hulk rolled back. So R2-D2 wins. So it's all down to this last race.
Ready, go!
And Hulk edges it, so he's through. Next up, it's Raphael versus Captain America.
Ready, go!
Raphael wins the first race. Lane change.
Ready, go!
Oh no, Captain America crashed. So Raphael wins and goes through 2-0. Now it's McQueen versus Batman.
Ready, go!
Good race for McQueen. Can he win the next?
Ready, go!
Yes, he's through. Well done. And finally, it's Superman versus Iron Man.
Ready, go!
What a race! I think Iron Man won that one upside down. So a change of lanes.
Ready, go!
Superman wins. So it's all down to this final race.
Ready, go!
Oh, well they're both in the winner's circle, but who won? Ah, it was Iron Man, so he goes through. Sorry Superman, you're out. So these are our semi-finalists: Hulk, Raphael, Iron Man and McQueen. Let's begin. First up, it's Hulk versus Raphael.
Ready, go!
Oh, well a slow end, but Hulk wins. Lane change.
Ready, go!
Oh no, they both fell. We're going to have to redo that race. Hulk fell again, so Raphael wins. To make it 1-1. We need a third and final race.
Ready, go!
Hulk wins. A very good race, but Hulk is into the final. And the other semi-final, McQueen versus Iron Man.
Ready, go!
Iron Man won that one going backwards. Is he about to knock McQueen out?
Ready, go!
Oh no, Iron Man didn't make it. So McQueen makes it one race all. Winner of this race goes through.
Ready, go!
Oh, McQueen wins. He's through to the final. So here we are, Hulk versus McQueen. One race, winner takes all.
Ready, go!
McQueen wins. He's the champion. Well done. Thomas and Percy were arguing. I'm the most useful engine, said Thomas. No, I am, replied Percy. You're both very useful, said Harold. But I'm faster, boasted Percy. No, you are not, cried Thomas. Yes, I am. I'm going faster than you right now, said Percy. Yes, but I'm pulling 4 trucks. You're only pulling 2, replied Thomas. Who do you think's the fastest? They asked Harold. I can't say. You two should race. I know a great racetrack, he said. That sounds like fun, said Percy. Okay, I'll meet you there later, said Thomas, and they both continued with their jobs. Thomas really wanted to win, so he met up with some engineers to make him go faster. They turned Thomas into Streamline Thomas.
Wow.
Thanks guys, said Thomas. I'm definitely going to win now. So Thomas went over to the racetrack. What happened to you? Asked Percy. You look completely different. Yeah, well so do you, said Thomas. No I don't. I only had a stripe painted on, replied Percy. Well, it doesn't matter. I'm still going to beat you. We'll see about that, said Thomas. So the track left the start, smashing through a bridge and then circled round to the other side. The trains would then head straight back to the start, which was also the finish. Whoever finishes first will have their flag raised and will be declared the winner.
Ready, go!
It was really close. And the winner was both of them. Both flags were raised at the same time, so they finished at exactly the same time. I guess we're the same speed, said Percy. Yeah, we're both really fast, agreed Thomas. And they also agreed that they were both very useful engines. Hi, I'm Dave, and thank you for watching my video, which featured the Trackmaster Railway race set, based on the new film, The Great Race. It comes with 2 new engines, a Streamline Thomas and a Racing Percy. Both of them have amazing expressions on their faces. To use the set, make sure the 2 points are different so the trains won't collide, and reset the bridge. Change the stop goes to stop and slide the trains to the end until they hit a larger bump. That way they'll start in exactly the same place. And turn them on. And release them at the same time. To hill on the left has a button in the track, which releases the bridge. The trains then circle round and return to the finish. Whoever crosses the line first has their flag raised, along with some fireworks. It is a fantastic set, which can also be easily integrated into any other Trackmaster sets.
Thomas arrived at the new racetrack with his Mini-Me. He met Percy, who also had his Mini-Me. "This looks exciting," said Thomas. "Let's get started." Their Mini-Me's got to the start. Thomas went first and was chased by the boulder. Percy chased the boulder. They all arrived at the bottom, bumping into each other. "Well, that was fun," said Thomas, "but I think we could change it to have a proper race." "There," said Thomas. "Now we can see who goes the fastest by seeing who goes the furthest." A whole host of competitors had joined them, some of them just riding in trucks.
Ready, steady, go!
Thomas went first. He got up a good speed, and not bad, a good start to the competition. Can Donatello beat him riding a truck? Nearly, but not quite. Now Bill. No, he never really got any speed on the slope. Now the minions in a truck.
What?
Oh, disappointing. Now Sally Carrera. She did really well in a recent competition. She doesn't like the bends, does she? Peppa Pig and George all covered in mud in a truck. Not bad, but Thomas is still in the lead. Now Rosie. Good speed. Yes, she's beaten Thomas. Rosie is now the one to beat. Captain America. Oh, mind the arch. He ducked, but didn't quite have enough speed to beat Rosie. Salty, better known for his stories than his speed. Not quite Salty, never mind. Spider-Man. Good speed, but stopped quickly. Rosie's still in the lead. Now Robin. No, I see a number 6. It's a Percy Mini dressed as Robin riding a truck. Oh, so close. Hulk now. I'm pleased he remembered to duck. He could have destroyed the track. Not quite far enough though. Now Lightning McQueen. Not very fast for McQueen. And not very far either. Disappointing. Just Percy left. He's fast. And he goes further than Rosie. Percy wins. Batman had challenged Superman to a race, but a team race. They were each to select a team to race against each other from the Cars launchers. The collection of Cars, superheroes and supervillains had agreed not to fight each other for the day. Hulk volunteered as starter and no one argued about that. Batman and Superman chose their team one at a time. Absolutely no engines and definitely no superpowers were allowed to be used. The vehicle travelling farthest up the track was through to the next round. "Why am I always last?" said Mater. "Oh, come on," said Superman. The teams were to choose which contestant to race. First up, Iron Man for Batman's team and Captain America for Superman's team. "This feels strange," said Iron Man. "Almost like Civil War." Captain America, off course, but does go further. He wins. Next it's Spider-Man for Superman against Michelangelo for Batman. Spider-Man goes wide, leaving Michelangelo to win. That makes one through from each team. Now, Ant-Man racing for Superman and McQueen racing for Batman. Ooh, Ant-Man wins easily. Now, Francesco Bernoulli for Superman against Hawkeye for Batman. Hawkeye wins, but Bernoulli flips out of the start. That evens it up again, now 2-2. Darth Vader against Yoda. Interesting it is. Yoda flips, and not able to use the Force means Darth Vader wins for Batman's team. The Lizard for Superman against a Stormtrooper for Batman. That was close, but Lizard just wins. Now it's 3-3. Nigel Gearsley for Superman against Holly Shiftwell for Batman. Holly tumbles out, leaving Nigel Gearsley to win. Last of the first round. Mater for Superman against Sally Carrera for Batman. "Yes, I win," said Mater, who hadn't seen Sally, who went so fast she reached the end of the track. "Never mind, Mater. Well done, Sally, and that evens it up at 4-4. The first of the winners. Darth Vader for Batman against Captain America for Superman. Darth Vader turns over. Captain America through. Now Hawkeye for Batman against Ant-Man for Superman. That was close, with Ant-Man just winning. Batman's yet to get anyone to win in this round. Now Lizard against Michelangelo. Ooh, Judge. That's just Michelangelo for Batman. Now Nigel Gearsley against Sally Carrera. Can Sally make this round even? Yes, she does, and she reaches the end of the track again. Right, the last 4 cars. Superman with Ant-Man and Captain America. Batman with Michelangelo and Sally Carrera. First semi-final, Michelangelo, Captain America. Captain America just wins. Now the second semi-final, with Sally needing to win to even it up. And Ant-Man goes off course and Sally wins. So the final, Captain America for Superman and Sally Carrera for Batman. This is it. Ooh, Captain America veers off to one side and Sally storms through the middle to win the competition for Batman. So, in this Batman vs Superman competition, Batman wins.
Hello and welcome to the Savannah Speedway. The competitors launch off and the first to cross the line wins. It's best 2 out of 3. Fooley is our judge at the line, but the other Lion Guard characters are here to lend a helping hand too. And there are our competitors. Right, let's begin. Firstly, it's Stormtrooper versus McQueen.
Ready, go!
Ooh, that's close. Replay needed. Oh, and Stormtrooper edges it. Very close though, so he's 1-0 up. A change of lanes.
Ready, go!
Ah, McQueen won that. So it's 1 race all. Whoever wins this next race goes through.
Ready, go!
Ah, and it's close again. Foolie? She says McQueen. So McQueen goes through. Iron Man versus Michelangelo now.
Ready, go!
Iron Man won that, I think. Yep, he's 1-0 up. Who will win this next one?
Ready, go!
It's Iron Man again, so he goes through 2-0. Batman vs Ultron next.
Ready, go!
Oh, I can't tell. Foolie? That's Ultron, so he's 1-0 up.
Ready, go!
Oh no, where's Batman going? So Ultron wins and goes through 2-0. Sorry, Batman. And finally, it's Spider-Man versus Mater.
Ready, go!
It's close. Foolie? Ah, Mater wins this race. If he wins the next one, he's through.
Ready, go!
Oh no, Spider-Man won that. So it's 1-all. All on this next race.
Ready, go!
Where's Mater gone? There he is. Did he win that? He did, so he's through. So these are our semi-finalists, Iron Man, McQueen and Ultron Mater. Ono's enjoying this. It's Iron Man versus McQueen first.
Ready, go!
Another close race. Oh, McQueen just won that. What a race.
Ready, go!
What happened there? Foodie says McQueen won. Not sure about that, but she has the final say. Well done, McQueen. And now it's Ultron versus Mater.
Ready, go!
Mater just fell from the sky. But he won that though. So he's 1-0 up.
Ready, go!
Oh no, where's Ultron going? He fell in the water. So Mater wins. So it's the final. McQueen versus Mater. One race, who will win?
Ready, go!
Oh, I can't tell. Foolie? And McQueen wins. Well done. Thomas was talking to McQueen. "We've got a surprise for Nemo and Dory," McQueen said. "Oh wow, can I see it?" asked Thomas. "Of course, it's this way," replied McQueen, and he showed Thomas. Ta-da! "Wow, it's amazing," said Thomas. It was a water track. And it had lots of Finding Dory characters around it. "Ah, Thomas, we're ready," said Marlin. "Can you get Nemo and Dory?" "Sure," said Thomas. So they were put in the water truck, and Thomas took them there. "Here we are," he announced. "Surprise!" cried Marlin. "It looks amazing," said Nemo. "I can't see it," said Dory. They wanted to try it out. "Cool," said Dory. "This is great," said Nemo. They had a little swim. Nemo then had an idea. "Let's have a race," suggested Nemo. "Yeah, great idea," agreed Dory. "Okay, so it's one lap of the track, and you'll go in opposite directions," said McQueen. "Ready, steady, go!" And off they went. Dory struggled around the rock corner, whilst Nemo circled around Hank. "Right, Nemo?" said Cockney. "Sorry, no time to talk," apologised Nemo. "Oh yeah, the race. Sorry, Nemo." Dory was out of the rock corner. Eventually. Nemo swam past Dory's parents. At the halfway point, it was even Stevens. But Dory was pushing Nemo backwards. They eventually got past each other, and because she pushed him a bit, Dory let Nemo catch up a little by talking to her parents. "You're doing very well, Dory," they said. Nemo headed into the rock section. So Dory raced on herself. Nemo didn't find it as difficult to get through as Dory did. It was close, but Nemo edged it. "Yes, well done, Nemo," cried Marlin. "Thanks, Dad," said Nemo. "Yeah, well done," said Dory. So they casually swam around the circuit. Hi, I'm Dave, and thanks for watching my video, which featured the Finding Dory Marine Life Institute playset. The track is easy to assemble on the waterproof mat. Fill the track with water and it's ready to go. Just put Nemo in the water and off he'll swim. He'll make his way all the way around the track. And the mat has pictures of characters from the film on it. It is a fantastic playset. Thanks again for watching. Please click on any of the links below and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon!